Christmas, Merry Christmas. So today we're gonna go ahead and unbox this baby here. This is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM, okay? Really excited for this one because I have owned many purses in my lifetime, but never have I ever owned a Neverfull, okay? So really curious to see how much I can really fit into this bag, because if you have been following me for a while and you happen to see this video here, yeah, that one, then you know that I like to stuff my bags, right, to no end. But don't come for me. This time around, I was sensible enough to purchase an organizer custom fitted for the MM, all right? PM's too small, GM is more of a weekend overnight type of bag, perfect for travel. But this is going to be my everyday best friend, or I intend for it to be my everyday best friend for now. And we're gonna put the organizer and the Neverfull together to see if, for one, the organizer actually does fit and if it's going to make the bag look too bulky. All right, so let's get to it. All right, I'm just opening up the organizer to go into the Neverfull. I mean, what good is a collection without the Neverfull, right? It is such an absolute timeless piece. It's the perfect everyday bag. So, oops. This is what the organizer looks like. Amazon purchase, $18.99, 19 bucks. So, yeah, it's all gonna make sense once we open this baby up. All right. So here we go. This is actually my husband's Christmas present for me, and I've been telling him that I wanted nothing for Christmas, and that nothing somehow turned into a trip to Louis Vuitton. So I'm not complaining. All right, here we go. There's that. You've got your receipt here. All right. And here she is. Isn't she a beauty? Okay. As you know, this bag can expand, so it doesn't have to be shaped like that. You can stretch the sides out. Like so. There you are. Or, again, you could have it shaped like this if you would like. All right. So, I got the red lining. And inside is a clutch. There you go. Cute. Perfect for credit cards and such. And so, okay, all right. Let's put the organizer in there to see if it's going to fit. All right, let's just see. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. I feel like it's I don't know, it may not be a good match, but hey. Oh, I stand corrected. Okay. that's with the organizer on the inside. So the organizer comes with many compartments, and it protects the lining as well, so you don't get it dirty. Because if you're like me and you like to kind of just throw makeup in there, yeah. I'm not sure what this is for. I'm assuming maybe this is for the bottom, or I don't know. We'll figure it out. But isn't she a beauty? Okay, let me put it on and show you guys. So cute, right? Yeah. Nice. So nice. Love, love, love it.
Well.
Yep. There she is. It's a love for me. It's the perfect size. So this is, yeah. It's an A+. Okay. Definitely worth it. Let's see. So this version of the Louis Vuitton actually retails for $16.90 and before tax. So there you go. In case you guys are curious and you want to go and grab you one from LV, I don't think you would regret it. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and Merry Christmas. Love, love, love.